Hello, my name is Cesar Vasquez. My student, engineer civil, University Militar. Hello, um, I should to compare Colombia in Mexico to Latin America, Latin countries that the many uh, unique cultural characteristics. In Colombia, education is seen as way to shed professional and social goals. My student wants to finish university and become professionals in the arts like that aircraft engineer. In Mexico, in Mexico, in Mexico, students are set education scale to set that it strong focus technical and practical cards. Family support is very important for them to continue studies subculturals evaluate then education with Colombia professional study while Mexico it's family motivation. Colombia are known for this kids respect and solidarity we like to help but as a good relations chain. In Mexico, people are very friends as respect both family unite and lovers and so stronger values. Both cultures are and white mice similar I may not positive. When I comes challenge Colombia and creative and optimism, we will find and then keep going. Mexican are so determined that said with or be base uh, whose cultures face problems with resilience and shock. Personality identify a lot with topic tourism students and work as student science. The experience got importance perseverance comparing in Mexico